So we're here, or I'm here, on the QUASER stand at EMO 2019 and with Paul Reeves. Where's Steve Brown today?
He's just over there, Paul.
As we saw. We're going to have a quick look around this stand and see some of the technology that's on show, supplied in the UK by the Engineering Technology Group. Now let's start over here, Paul, because this is a 5-axis machine. This is the UX500, isn't it?
Yep.
C. But what's interesting here is you've got a robot solution feeding this.
Yes, this is loaded just manually by a Halter robot system.
What I also like about this particular machine model is the access or the accessibility, double door opening, easy to get in. And I like the way the table's configured on here. It looks like it's it's a rigid solution. It's double supported, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a double supported trunnion there, and it's obviously through 90 degrees compared to a lot of the competitors' machines, and obviously allows you to load from both sides through all automation.
Yeah, have you? I mean, in the UK, I know that 5-axis is a big topic. I'm assuming this would be one of probably QUASER's most and ETG's most popular models.
Yeah, it's a really popular machine. We have a lot of inquiries for this, and the price of the machine is really attractive.
Okay, let's move down to the UX500 here, because ETG have an event, Discover Turnkey Excellence. It's on October the 2nd and the 3rd. We've been looking today at one of the machines and the solutions that's going to be on show. And it is this UX500C. Now it's being fed, and it's a perfect opportunity here because we see the pallet system actually in action there. Tell us about what we've got here and what people can see at your event, Paul.
Well, this machine will be in our Discover Turnkey Excellent event on the 2nd and 3rd of October. This machine is set up with the Euroa Robo Compact 80 pallet system, of which there's 80 pallets there. And also included in the price of the machine comes around 30 to 40 of the pallet fixture units as well.
We're hearing a lot these days about these automations, or automation being integrated onto machines. It's about just keeping that machine going, isn't it?
Yeah. Unmanned, lights out manufacturing is what everybody's looking for.
Yeah. With this though as well, you've actually got 80 stations or 80 pallets. That's a lot of opportunities to load work on. How do you accommodate for the other challenges that you might face with that, with like the tooling, for example? Have you got enough tools then to support those parts? Yeah,
this model comes with a standard 60 ATC tool changer, so there's a lot of tools, a lot of pockets there that you can fill the machine up and let it run.
Maxia spindle, high-speed spindle, doing a nice little demo in there.
Yeah, it's got a 15,000 Maxia spindle with 20 bar 3-spindle coolant, so it's really well spec'd.
Okay, so you can see this machine at the Discover Turnkey Excellence event. Paul, MV134E, vertical machining centre, straight 3-axis. Yep. QUASER stands for quality and service, doesn't it? Yeah. Is that borne out through this model as well?
Yeah, we have a lot of success with these machines, both the 134, the 154 and the 184. Obviously the range grows in size as everybody does, but these machines are really, really popular.
I was going to say it's quite a tidy double door access as well, quite a tidy footprint.
It's a very small compact machine. Another benefit with the QUASER brand is the control systems. These machines come off the shelf with Fanuc, Siemens or Heidenhain, so they tick every box control wise.
So you've got the option of whatever you choose there?
Yeah, it's just literally a tick box option.
Okay, so there you have it. Well, this has been a quick walk around the QUASER stand here. Now, I have to reiterate that the Discover Turnkey Excellence event, October the 2nd and the 3rd in Wellesbourne at ETG. You can see solutions like this and talk to gentlemen like Paul and others about how they can assist you in the production of your components from start to finish. Thanks, Paul.
Cheers, Paul. Thank you.